Hello. So thank you for using this tool. And the main objective of this tool is to help you audit GA4 setup. Now, a lot of us are new to Google Analytics 4. It's a new property, new tool that Google has introduced, and there are a lot of things that are changing. The entire ecosystem of analytics is changing, and all we want is the right source of truth. So this tool is designed to get you the right data in place by conducting 30 different tests across your website and Google Analytics 4. So what it's going to do is it's going to run the entire test for both non-e-commerce as well as e-commerce website. We'll jump right into it. The first thing that you need to do is create a copy of this tool. So as soon as you will sign up, you will get a template. What you need to do is go ahead and make a copy. As soon as you will do it, you will see that there are three different sheets that are basically there in the template. Uh, and that will be documentation, configuration, and results. In the documentation section, you will see that there are 30 different tests. So it's an exhaustive list. That means you will have e-commerce and non-e-commerce tests both. There's a configuration section where you have to add all the details like your website name, the GA property ID. Now, where you can find your GA property ID, if you go to Google Analytics 4 in admin section, I'll just show it to you. You can see under property details, and here is the property ID. Simply copy it and you can paste it here. You have to select what type of website you're going to be running. Is it a e-commerce website or it's a non-e-commerce website? And just mention the date that you want to audit your entire Google Analytics 4. I'm keeping it for the month of November. You can put it any date that you want. And finally, you have results here. You will see once this gets populated, and you will also see a chart which shows how many tests you have failed and how many tests you have passed. So we'll jump right into it. You can avoid the documentation part. Go here for the configuration, add all these details. Since this is our own website, it's a non-e-commerce. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on GA4 audit, run audit. So for the first time, it is going to ask for an authorization when it is running a script. Now, it won't populate the result in the first go. I'm going to authorize it here. I'm going to select the account, give authorization, and it is successful. Right now, I won't see any result. So the first step was to give the authorization. The second step is to run the audit. Now you will see that the data will populate and it will show which test we have passed and which we have failed. It's going to take a minute, and there we go. So we have all the tests which are non-e-commerce specific, and I can see that which one I have failed. So for example, mediums with low traffic, custom campaign tracking, all these ones with their explanation can be seen here along with the total audit score. So it's as simple as that. What we can try here is go back to configuration, select e-commerce just to see that what kind of tests we get. Run GA4 audit again, and this time I'll go here. I should be able to see more tests where I should be failing, because since it is a non-e-commerce website, there you go. I have 30 tests now, and my fail percentage is higher. Obviously, because it's a non-e-commerce website. So there we have a simple tool. It's an exhaustive list of tests that you can cover. It will help you get the right kind of data flowing into your system. Try out this tool. Let us know how do you feel about it. And if you have more tests to check, we will be happy to include in our GA4 audit tool. Thank you so much, and we look forward to your feedback.